Door chain. At my university, freshmen were required to live in dorms. Though I got along with my roommates, I valued my privacy and never fully adapted to dorm life. By sophomore year, my friend Emily and I rented separate but adjacent studio apartments, giving us personal space while staying close. Lately, though, I had trouble sleeping. Every night, an unshakable sense of unease crept over me. One night, as I lay awake, I heard it. I froze.
Was it Emily?
I called out softly. No response. Heart pounding. I checked the security chain on my door. It was still latched. Feeling somewhat safe, I cracked the door open. The hallway was empty. The corridor light flickered, casting eerie shadows. Had I imagined it? Steeling myself, I unchained the door and stepped outside. Still no one. I shut the door, exhaling. The doorknob turned. Slow, deliberate. My stomach dropped. Then, the door swung open. I threw myself against it, shoving with all my strength. Something on the other side pushed back. Shaking, I locked it and secured the chain. Then, the lock disengaged. The door creaked open slightly. I exhaled in relief. The chain will hold. But then, a pale, bony hand slid through the gap, twisting unnaturally as it reached for the chain. I watched frozen as the chain came undone. The door opened. A woman stood there, smiling eerily. Terror gripped me. I wanted to run, but my body wouldn't move. Then, she rushed at me and lunged, her eerie grin never fading. I screamed and jolted upright in bed.
Hey, are you okay?
A familiar voice. Emily. She sat beside me, her face illuminated by my nightlight, eyes filled with concern. Relief flooded me. Just a nightmare. She got up to pour me a glass of water. Then, a chilling realization. I turned toward the door. It was still shut. Still chained. Emily noticed my silence.
What's wrong?
My hands trembled. Because, if the chain was still locked, how had Emily gotten inside?